Good morning, boys and girls. Today I want you to open up your book to Lesson 21. When you get to Lesson 21, point to the gold word and repeat the word after me. Told, night, pretty, window, thought, better, turned, saw. Words to know, read together. Number 1, told. He told the class the name of the tree. Number 2, night. The buds open in the day and close at night. Number 3, pretty. This is a pretty wide tree trunk. Number 4, window. The big tree is very close to the window. Number 5, thought. The man thought about planting a tree. Number 6, better. The tree got better when he watered it. Number 7, turned. The leaves turned orange in the fall. Number 8, saw. They saw many apples on the tree. Background. Read together. Words to know. Life in a tree. There is a tree outside my window. One day I saw birds and squirrels in the tree. That night I thought I would take another look. I turned on a flashlight to see better. I saw an owl in the tree. I told my dad, that tree is a pretty busy place. Leaves, trunk, branch, bark. Find the parts of a tree in the picture. Tell a partner what other parts you know. Comprehension, read together. Target skill, story structure. Remember that a story has different parts. Characters are the people and animals in a story. The setting is when and where a story takes place. The plot is the order of story events. The events are often about a problem and how the characters solve it. What is the problem? How can it be solved? After reading the tree, tell who is in it, where they are, and what they do. Characters, setting, plot. Words to know. Told, night, pretty, window, thought, better, turned, saw. Target skill, story structure. Tell the setting, character, and events in a story. Target strategy. Analyze, evaluate. Tell how you feel about the text and why. Genre. A fantasy story could not happen in real life. Meet the author, Cynthia Rylant. As a young girl, Cynthia Rylant loved animals. She still does. Miss Rylant lives with a dog and 2 cats. She puts animals in the books she writes too. Meet the illustrator, Mark Teague. Mark Teague didn't go to art school. He taught himself to draw. He stays busy by working on more than one book at a time. The Tree from Poppleton Forever by Cynthia Rylant, illustrated by Mark Teague. Poppleton planted a new little tree in his yard. It was a dogwood. Poppleton liked it very much. He watered it every day. He gave it tree food. He staked it against the wind. The little tree grew strong and fast. Poppleton was pleased. Then one day the tree looked awful. Its leaves drooped. Its bark peeled. It turned from green to brown. "Oh no," said Poppleton when he saw his tree. He called the tree doctor. "Come right away," said Poppleton. The tree doctor came to look at Poppleton's tree. Stop and think. Story structure. How do you think Poppleton will solve his problem? Read to find out. He tapped it. He stroked it. He felt its trunk and leaves. The tree doctor said to Poppleton, "This tree needs something, but I don't know what it is." "Can't you just give it a pill?" asked Poppleton. "It isn't sick," said the tree doctor. "It needs something." Poppleton did not know what his little tree needed. He tapped it. He stroked it. He felt its trunk and leaves. But he did not know. Poppleton sat up with his tree all night, wondering what it needed. In the morning, he went for help. "What does my tree need?" Poppleton asked Hudson down the street. "A piece of cheese," said Hudson. Poppleton gave the tree a piece of cheese, but it didn't help. "What does my tree need?" Poppleton asked Newhouse, the delivery dog. "A bone?" asked Newhouse. Poppleton gave the tree a bone, but it didn't help. Poppleton went to see Cherry Sue. "What does my tree need?" Poppleton asked Cherry Sue. Cherry Sue looked out her window at the little tree. She thought and thought. Then she said, "If I were a tree, I would need a bird feeder." "A bird feeder?" asked Poppleton. "Trees want birds," said Cherry Sue. "Why do you think they hold out their arms all day?" Poppleton bought a bird feeder for his little tree. A sparrow came, and a leaf turned green. A cardinal came, and another leaf turned green. A bluebird came, and 3 leaves turned green. Poppleton's tree got better. Soon all of its leaves were green. "You are a pretty smart llama," Poppleton told Cherry Sue. "You are a pretty nice pig," Cherry Sue told him. Then they had lemonade and watched the birds.